Mostly we use a breathalyzer test when we stop a subject who we feel has been drinking and driving. Walking down the street, it just depends on what we are investigating. Without probable cause, I would need probably reasonable suspicion or something of them drinking for to ask. But I mean, I can ask anybody anything. I would need more than just being underage. I mean, if I detect an odor of an alcoholic beverage on them, then yeah, I would. That's starting to lead me to probable cause. Then, why we are charged by the Constitution and the of the United States and the state to enforce the laws. I don't see police officers being in plain clothes as being deception. It's just one tool that we use. We use being in cruisers, being in uniforms, as well as plainclothes officers. It's not a deceptive thing. It's just blending in. Just when dealing with police officers, if they have an open container, don't try and run from us. If you did the crime, then deal with it. The underage drinking, we have zero tolerance here in Westerville. It comes straight from our general orders. We don't allow underage people to drink and drive or anything. They don't get a free pass. They never do. They will be charged. Will we still be enforcing? It's still in our city. We could be. I'm not saying that we will. We'll probably work closely in conjunction with them once they become a police department.
When you get a driver's license, anytime that you are legitimately stopped by a police officer, the officer has probable cause to arrest you for driving under the influence, that you have consented to submit to a test. So the officer has no right, without probable cause, to arrest you. There has to be an arrest before they can request you to take a breath test or force you to take a breath test. If you're walking, they ask you to take one, and you say no, there's no consequences, and you should refuse. If you have been drinking, the test is giving them evidence to use against you. You're giving them more ammunition for their case. Unfortunately, law enforcement's allowed to lie in order to obtain evidence. It's done all the time, and it's allowed by the courts. Although the cops can lie to somebody, they have to have probable cause first. Then they could lie, and then they can obtain that evidence. The entrapment would be that they kind of entice you to go drinking with them. Getting the information out of you is more of a suppression issue. If you have a Fifth Amendment right, use it. Don't say a word. Just tell them that you want to speak with an attorney. I don't know. I've been doing this 23 years, practicing criminal defense. I'm not aware of anyone who's ever benefited by talking to the police.